Understanding grid position in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, grid position. This term might be familiar to some, especially those into sports or gaming. But today we'll ensure everyone walks away with a clear understanding. Let's start by breaking down the word grid. A grid is a pattern of straight lines that cross each other to form squares or rectangles. It's often used in contexts where precise locations are important, like in maps, games, or charts. In everyday language, when we talk about a grid, we are usually referring to a framework that helps us locate things. Moving on to position. Position refers to the place where someone or something is located or has been placed. It is also about the rank or order of something in a series. Position is all about where you stand, literally and figuratively. Combining the two, grid position usually refers to a specific spot or rank within a grid system. In racing, for instance, a car's grid position is where it starts in the race, determined by qualifying times. In a broader sense, it can refer to someone's rank or status in an organization or hierarchy that can be mapped out in a grid-like structure. To solidify our understanding, let's see some examples. In Formula 1, the driver with the fastest qualifying time gets the pole position on the grid, which is the frontmost spot. In a new company, you might be curious about your grid position in the organizational structure, meaning where you fit in the company hierarchy. And there you have it. The term grid position, demystified for our English language learners. Whether you're watching a sports event or climbing the corporate ladder, you'll now understand this phrase's significance. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has been informative. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.